Good afternoon. Today I want to show you how to make cinnamon apples. This is a very, very healthy snack that you can eat every day. It'll actually move your health forward. Instead of just staying in a static place or getting worse, your health will actually improve by eating this. There's a few things that you need. The first is apples. Secondly, have some cinnamon. The third thing is a very sharp knife so you can slice thin slices. And the last thing is a good sturdy cutting board. What you're seeing here is one of the plastic trays that goes in something called a dehydrator. That's what dries these apples and makes them transportable and preservable over several days. I've got cinnamon sprinkled on top of these slices here. I found one study that showed if you eat these every day for 6 months, you can really improve your LDL score. If you read it all, you kind of know what that means. It's really great to have this snack. It'll truly move your health in the right direction. This is the dehydrator. It's got 4 trays filled with apples, and this will contain about half a dozen large apples. When you got it all set up and turned on, I cooked my apples for 5 hours. There's a little button you hit here, and you know that it's come on because it sounds like an airplane taking off. And that's really all the steps to make cinnamon apples. This is something I love to eat. I actually look forward to it every day. I share it with my family members, and even kids like these apples.